In this video, we're going to be looking at 3 ways which you can receive money from Western Union. Now the first option and one of the most underutilized is receiving money directly in your bank account. Now if someone is sending money from say the United States, they can send money to your Visa debit card and the money will be available within 15 minutes to your bank account. Now if they send it directly to your bank account, the money will be available within 2 to 3 business days. Now the second and most utilized option though is pick up at any agent location. So with the first option, you don't need to provide any tracking number and you don't need to provide any form of ID, which is the most popular. Pick up at an agent location. You can go to any Western Union location, provide a tracking number and your ID and you're good to go. Now our third option is collecting money to your mobile wallet. Now this is available in just a few countries. So if you click the availability link and scroll down, you'll see the list of countries which it is available in. So if you're not seeing your country on this list, then guess what? That option is not for you. And that's basically it. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.